Maybelline's Cushion Matte Lipstick is a soft matte moisturizing lip tint that has been sold about 78,460 times on Shopee Philippines alone. I want to know what the fuss is all about, and I'm sure you guys want to know too. Kaya I'll be swatching all the 5 shades that Maybelline sent me, and I'll be rating each and every shade and tingnan natin if worth it nga ba yung 329 pesos for a cushion matte lipstick. Let's get straight down to business. So the first shade that I have here for you guys is yung shade na Urban Spice. As usual, I'll be rating the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. And yung Urban Spice is a red maroon shade. And actually, meron siyang kakambal na shade na to mamaya, but I'll be talking about that later. This red brown shade is more on the neutral tone siya. Kahit ano yung skin tone mo, may it be golden, warm, cool, neutral, olive, marirecommend ko to sa inyo because neutral undertones typically work on all skin types because she in the middle, she neutral, she's friends with everybody. But since she's just right in the middle, she's just a neutral undertone red maroon shade, she doesn't have that much character in her. She's not that spicy. She's just safe. Actually, I've been loving this color a lot, especially when you pair it with an eye makeup na napaka subtle and light lang. Since I've been loving it, I'm gonna give the shade a 4. Second lippy that I have here is the shade Lips on Pulse. Yung shade niya is parang a fusion of a strawberry / apple red pink, and when those two tones are in play, I'm just not a big fan, and I don't know why I even rated it a 4 back then, but now I'm just gonna give it a 3. Third shade that I have here ay yung shade na The Cool Rebel. Ito yung twin shade ni Urban Spice. Compared naman sa Urban Spice, ito naman yung warmer toned version niya. So I would recommend this naman to girls who have warm or golden undertones. And my updated rate for this shade is 4 as well. Fourth shade that I have here is yung Sunset Affair, and ito palagi yung nasa-sold out sa Maybelline shop. It's one of their most popular shades, and I highly recommend that you guys check this color out. It's a warm pink. It really suits my light morena skin. It doesn't wash out my lips naman kahit medyo light pink siya. Napakaganda niya pa rin, and it's a versatile color. Before, I rated this a 5, and until now, ganun pa rin yung rating niya sa akin. Ang ganda ng effect niya sa overall look ko when I applied this lippy. The last and fifth one on the list is yung Chestnut On Point, and kagaya ng Sunset Affair, yung shade na Chestnut On Point ay isa sa mga popular shades din sa cushion matte lippies ng Maybelline. Yung shade na to ay bagay sa mga tao na who wants to sport a little bit of a grungy look, medyo maangas yung feel nyo na glam look, then this lippy is for you. Again, each cushion matte lippy costs 329 pesos, and yung formulation niya is a soft gel formula that gives that pillowy feel when you press your lips together. And by the way, that pillowy feel wears off throughout your wear of the lipstick. The soft cushion pillowy feel will wear off, but the vibrant color of this cushion matte lipstick will still stay. And nagulat din ako guys when I checked the description of this product, kasi akala ko for the lips lang yung product na to, but apparently you can also wear it on your cheeks as a blush and on your eyes as an eyeshadow. But careful lang guys when you do wear this as your eyeshadow, especially sa mga tao na may sweaty or oily lids, because it will wear off fast. But if you do want to try it out on your lids, make sure that you wear an eye primer that will block the sweat and oil of your lids. So worth it nga ba yung 329 pesos nyo for a cushion matte lipstick? That would be a yes for me. Yung performance niya on the lips ay napaka-comfortable, and it's also flexible to wear on the lips. By flexible, I mean it doesn't crack on your lips, it doesn't hug and tug on your lips, and it just leaves the wear of it very, very comfortable. It's not drying at all on the lips. In fact, it is very moisturizing. Also, napaka-versatile ng formula niya because you can wear it as a soft edge Korean style kind of lippy, or you can do the full sculpted lippy. If you want more Maybelline swatch videos, then click this link right here or subscribe to my channel for more. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.